In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can launch your dropshipping business with zero paid ads and generate videos that get you tens of millions of views and drive all of that traffic to your dropshipping store. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Ali. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Daily E-commerce. So let's get right to the chase. If you've been living under a rock, you have probably, to have not seen this, you should have probably been like living under a rock, because these type of Instagram videos are racking up thousands upon thousands, even millions of views, and all of this traffic is being sent to purchase your dropshipping products or to go ahead and promote someone else's product as an affiliate. For me, this is the fastest way to start driving traffic if you have zero money for paid ads, because this is a question that I keep getting. And if I were dropshipping today and if I had zero money for paid ads, this is the only skill I would focus on. The two things is generating videos like this and creating offers that work. Okay, now a lot of people, I'll show you one of these videos. I'll show you the video that got 10 million views, and a lot of people will argue ethics with me here. We will get into that discussion as well. But first, let's watch these videos. These are all AI avatars, and what they do is they tell a very compelling story. This story has a crazy hook, and then right after the hook, they go into a story, and then right after the story, they make an offer. So let's go ahead. Let's see this crazy hook live in action. I'll see it with you guys, and then I'll go into step-by-step how to create this video.
I spent 6 years as the secret lover of a Dubai prince. The rules I had to follow still make me question everything. He made me eat pineapples every day so that I would taste like candy down there. To prevent chubby cheeks, I had to dip my face in ice cold water daily. Every night I had to drink fenugreek tea to increase the size of my cherries since it contains a lot of phytoestrogen. He also made me wash my face with aloe vera water in the mornings to soften my skin because he didn't want to kiss rough skin. I started drinking parsley and ginger tea every morning to cleanse my liver and boost my metabolism. It not only helped with digestion, but also gave me more energy throughout the day. Another remedy I swear by is drinking fennel seed water before bed. It reduces bloating, improves digestion, and makes my stomach feel lighter by morning. This natural pink serum helps brighten the skin, fade dark spots, and give you a youthful, radiant glow. Link in bio to get yours.
All right, so you guys saw the whole video, right? Now, the hook is crazy, right? I spent 6 years as the secret lover of a Dubai prince. Now, that type of a hook will get anybody to stop and watch the video. Then right in there, the first point was kind of crazy. We all can admit the first point was kind of crazy. And then right after that, the points are informative, but they're unorthodox. The whole psychology behind this video is you need to make every second of the video count. That's it. Because what happens is, and this is the video, right? If you get someone to the end of your video, which is where you're making the pitch, if somebody sees 90% of your video because you were making crazy, informative, but crazy comments, right? And you get someone to hear, your video is guaranteed to go viral. And that's the psychology. You hook them, so you stop the scroll right here. And then one after the other, you're giving some informative but unorthodox, polarizing tips. Because if your tip is boring, if your tip is something that they already know, like it's TikTok, they'll scroll away. You have to grab their attention every second. That doesn't just mean what she's saying, the images at the back as well. You need to make sure that everything you're saying is polarizing, because you have to get them to that 90% watch time and you are guaranteed to go viral. Okay. And if you get them to that, if you get them to 90%, obviously most people will go ahead and look at the offer, right? Now, the conversion rate on these videos isn't super high, but the traffic is so much. You're sending so much traffic that the conversion is a foregone conclusion. What does that mean? On a 10 million view video, you're going to get some people that will actually go ahead and check it out. And the point of the video is to go ahead and send traffic to the funnel or the e-com landing page. The point of the e-com landing page is to get the conversion. So this thing will do its job. It will send traffic to the page, and the page's job is to convert. Okay. So if we look at it as two distinct jobs that each person does, it's very important for you to create an ad that will send maximum traffic. Okay, maximum traffic of people that are curious about what this thing is. And so this is what they're doing. They're rinsing and repeating this process and getting 5.6 million views. 20K is a minimum. Okay, now if somebody, now let's before I show you how to make it, and I'm going to show you step by step, and we're going to make a video at the end. Okay, before I show you how to make it, let's talk a little bit about the ethics. Okay, like, is this ethical? To me, I don't care. Okay, I don't care how you end up like making money, right? At the end of the day, I'd rather you are actually going out and advertising, talking to people, getting stories made and publishing stuff and actually doing stuff versus like not starting an online business because you don't have any money. Okay, telling stories. Now, it's up to you. Do you want to be crazy like this? That's your decision. Or do you want to be a little bit more realistic, come up with insightful stuff that people actually don't know about, and then go about it another way, go about it a little bit more rationally, speak to a more logical person, but use the same framework? That's completely up to you as well. You may not get 10 million views, but hey, you might get better quality views and you might drive even more buyers. So for me, the strategy is sound, and this is going to go away very soon. Like I predict, we have a short window where we can create these channels, and then, people will sort of filter past them and not pay attention to it. So there's a short window. You can start using this strategy, start getting some views and start getting some clicks to your page. But if I were someone starting drop shipping right now with zero money, all I would do would be publishing 5 videos a day like this, coming up with crazy stories that hook me, delivering insights, and then pitching my product. That's it. That's all I would do. So without further ado, let's get into what this is. So to make this video, there are 3 elements. There's the AI avatar, okay? There is the script in the middle, and then there is the image at the back. Okay, there are 3 things that we have to generate, and when we put them together, we get a video like this, okay? So again, the AI avatar is number 1, the script in the middle is number 2, and what's being said at the back is number 3, okay? We're going to attempt to do this step by step, okay? Also, very, very cool and very, very new. You don't have to sit with a pen and paper and study all of the prompts, because we're going to use ChatGPT. I'm going to prompt it. I'm going to get all of that stuff. Okay. You don't have to do anything. Okay. I have actually launched an AI Ecom Academy. Now, this is all about AI image and video generation. Okay. If you want access, this is completely free. This is completely free. If you want access to this, just comment down below and I'll go ahead and I'll send you the link for this. Okay, this is completely free. Now, all you need to do is go to the Academy and I will have this video uploaded, okay, right here in video generation. And I'll have the prompts listed as well. So you can watch along with the video, you can copy the prompts and you can recreate it. And all of my past videos, I have matched the prompts so you know exactly how to recreate what I'm doing. And this isn't like unreal. This is Nicole. She's a client of mine and someone who I work with really closely. She was able to generate insane images using my prompts, and all she did was use my prompts. Okay, so this isn't something that like nobody can do. Anybody can do it if you have the right prompt. So if you guys want access to this academy, just comment down below. I'll send you a link. You can sign up, you can copy along with the prompts and you can use it. Okay, and I will keep this academy updated for all times. All right, so getting back to this, what do we need? We need an AI avatar, we need a good script, and we need the images at the back, okay? So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create the viral script. So I've come up with a prompt that will give you a viral script, okay? All you have to do is make sure you enter the name of the product at the bottom, okay? For the example of mine, I'm using a skincare soap, dark spot soap remover. I've just given it the name, but if you give it this prompt, it's going to come up with a scroll stopping hook. It's gonna come up with a transition from the hook to the like key pieces of advice. It's gonna share 3 weird, polarizing, and mysterious beauty tips. You can change it to whatever tip you want. Okay, and then finally it's going to reveal the product. Okay, and I have turned down the crazy setting. Okay, I've turned down the crazy setting. You can turn it up. You can dial it to a 10. Do whatever you want with it. Okay, so look at what it came up with. Okay, number 1, the billionaire wife's secret. Okay. I used to manage the skincare routines of 3 billionaire wives in Dubai, but no one believes me when I say the 4 things they did every day to stay beautiful so their husbands won't go looking for someone younger. Now, this is fiction. For me, this is completely fiction. The tips are real, the hook is fiction. Okay. That's how I choose to look at it. Okay. So then the tips are like, I wanted the tips not to be common knowledge, right? So again, I didn't know this. If there are women watching and you knew this, okay, you can turn it up. I didn't know this, and I've been in the beauty niche for a while. Okay, so number 1, soak silk cloth in cold green tea and then press it over their eyes. All right. Every morning before coffee, drink a warm blend of this cool drink. Now I've seen some AI channels. What they do is in tip number 2, they have someone comment something down below. And that raises the engagement of the video. So that's what I included in tip number 2. In tip number 3, again, massage their jawline with a silver spoon dipped in ice water. Like, again, I didn't know any of this. So I'm thinking my person that's watching the video will not know any of this, right? So these are the 4 tips. Okay. And then finally, I say, go to the product that's in the link in bio. And so this prompt will give it to you. Again, you don't have to go ahead. You can pause it and write this whole big prompt down, or just comment down below for prompt or access to my academy, and I will send you a link. You can use that link. You can get free access to this. I'm not charging any money for my prompts and for you guys to be able to create insane AI images and AI ads. Okay. So, all right. So now what it's done, it's given us the script. Perfect. So we have one thing down. Okay, now what's the second thing? The second thing is we need to go ahead and start creating the AI avatar. Now, so for this, the AI avatar and the AI images, again, I'm going to go back to this. I'm going to really try and make it simple. We need a script, we need an AI avatar, and we need the images, right? So we've gotten 1 down. Now 2 and 3 are left, right? So for 1, we use ChatGPT. For 2 and for 3, we're going to use topview.ai. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to topview.ai and we're going to go ahead and we're going to sign in. Okay, so I'm going to just go into the dashboard. Now, for part number 1, okay, for this part, where is it? For this part, okay, to create the AI avatar, we're going to go into top view and we're going to go into video avatar. Now over here, we can choose anyone. Okay, there's so many people, right? Obviously, if you're in skincare, pick someone in the beauty niche. I'm going to pick this one, but you can pick literally any person. Okay, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to copy. I just told it to give me the script and no divisions so that I can just copy it, paste it over here, and then go ahead and click generate. Okay, now the link to topview.ai is in the description as well, guys. Please use it. It's amazing. Okay, so go ahead and click generate. Then what happens is it's going to go ahead and generate a video for you. I've already generated this and it's right here. Okay, and then it's going to go ahead and generate a video of the person actually talking about it, and this is your AI avatar, right? It's done. She's done. The video has been created. Okay, now this is the video I'm going to use, and she's going to sit right here in my videos, right? Perfect. Now the next thing is the images in the back. Okay, now using the same prompt, okay, I just basically asked ChatGPT to give me a short prompt that will help me generate an image for each part of the script. Okay, and then I went back to top view. I know, just stick along with me. Now we finished the script, we finished the AI avatar. Now we need the images at the back, right? So I went back to top view and it generated some prompts for me. Okay, because for each part of the script, I'll need images. I just asked ChatGPT, give me the prompts for the images. Then we went back to top view and we went to their AI image. Now their AI image is insane. It's insane. Okay, so now we went here and we put all of those prompts in. So look at this, 3 billionaire wives in Dubai, right? Look at this image. This is an image that's taken from a phone. As someone like who's seen this in real life, like this is so freaking real, and this would catch anybody. This image would catch anybody. Okay, so we have this. Then again, like these are all of the prompts that it gave me to match the tips and the advice, right? All of that stuff. Okay, and then now we just go ahead and we download all of these images. It's all we have to do is put those prompts in here. Okay, it's right here, right? A luxury penthouse in Dubai. Put this in. generate, and it'll go ahead and start generating all of these images. And guys, top view AI image generation, I think is a little bit better than ChatGPT AI image generation. Okay, it's more realistic for sure. Okay, but obviously it's a little paid, so you gotta make your own thing for that. But now, what do we have? We've generated the script, we've generated the AI avatar, and we've generated the images. So we have all three now ready to go. So guys, all that's left to do is put everything together. Okay, like for example, just use any video editing tool and put it together. The girl is here, the image is here, and the captions are here. And now you have your own viral video talking about a crazy hook, going into the different skincare tips, and finally pitching our product. And that's it. That's how easy it is. Now, if I were somebody who has not been dropshipping and wants to get into a cheap, free way to start promoting products online, this is the workflow that I would follow. Now, there are a lot of places that'll give you the free AI avatar, the free image generation, the free XYZ. I know TopView gives you some free credits, and there's so many different ones. The ones that I like to use is TopView. So this is the easiest, cheapest way. If you're broke, if you don't have any money, if you want to get into AI, if you want to get into dropshipping, this is what I would do. Create amazing stories, have them go viral, pitch my product, and build an audience as well. Like this entire audience is built for self-care, right? This entire audience is built for self-care. So I would start building that audience and I would start doing this. So how do we get started? Okay. A few things now that you've made it till the end of the video. Number one, if you want access to the AI Academy, just comment down below prompts or AI Academy. I'll go ahead and send it to you. Number two, you're going to need TopView, right? That link is also going to be there for you if you want. So you can start generating all of this stuff. Okay. Number three, where should you be sending all of this traffic? Okay. Now that you have or what product should you be sending it to anyways, right? So typically what I would recommend is using a pre-built funnel. Okay. Now Shop Funnels has pre-built funnels, right? So let's say you're promoting, let's say you're doing something about hair care. Okay. You could type in crazy tips about hair care. Okay. And then you could go ahead and start selling this amazing hair care product, and you would just use this funnel. Okay. Because it's completely built out. The hair care product's already selected. It's 658K proven sales and it's already built. So you just send your traffic here. Okay, so if you want to start working with already built proven 6 and 7 figure funnels, that link is also going to be there. Okay, and finally, the last thing that I want to talk about is the masterclass. Now, if somebody is a complete beginner, doesn't know anything that I'm talking about, just wants to start getting into dropshipping, I've put together a free masterclass. Okay, it's 2 hours, but it's really, really intensive, goes over a lot of stuff. That link is in the description as well. So you have all of the information now to get started. Hope this video was informational. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to learn anything else. And let me know in the comments down below if you want access to the AI Ecom Academy for ad creation. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.